Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later. So guys, when you want to create new account on Telegram or want to log in your Telegram account and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after going to back, simply you need to open your settings. And guys, first of all you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. As you can see here, I have connected. And guys, after checking this, you need to go back. And guys, simply you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. As you can see here, I have connected VPN with my phone. So guys, simply you need to disconnect that VPN first. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, maybe there is network problem. Simply you have to reset your network settings from here. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, at last you need to scroll it below. Here is the option of iPhone storage. And guys, you need to find here Telegram. So guys, as you can see, you need to scroll it down. And guys, you need to find here Telegram. You have to click on Telegram. And guys, you need to offload your app. And guys, after doing offload, you need to reinstall again and log in again your account. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your Telegram account without any interruption. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.